I'm going to commit to this year is really getting my health absolutely on point.
Yeah, hello, my name is Daniele, and my goal for 2018 is to get financial vitality in my life.
My name's Jules Brinkley and I want to start positivity raves.
Hi, so my name is Giles. 2018, my goal is to help Carl and the other trustees form Basket Brigade as a registered charity. So all these years have been fantastic, really help us move the charity forward.
Hi, I'm Sam. I've been with the ES Group for a year, and one of my goals this year is going to be to learn Spanish. And I'm going to do that by going to a different country and learning with a family.
Hi, my name is Chris Stockhill. The goal I'm going to commit to this year is raising awareness for mental health, getting people to speak up and not suffer in silence.